That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.
Why are there so many drones, bro? Get away from me.
We have lost the lead.
Pull that. Stop your grenades, buddy. Cut that shit out. Bitch. Oh man. I wish I played this more. I love sniping. You know, I don't really know what I'm gonna talk about, but I guess I'll just give you guys some lore about how I got here, because I imagine if you clicked on this, you probably care a little bit. Maybe not. Who knows? So I had an old channel called A Lazy Gamer, but it only had 1 R because it was the first A Lazy Gamer, the Lazy Gamer OG, you know? And I did mainly Call of Duty content. Some other stuff too, but it was mostly COD, which is why there's Call of Duty in the background. I feel like it's a way to pay an honor to my old channel as it's finally resting, finally. I did ditch it because I was stupid, because I met people who I was kind of embarrassed to have a channel because I was stupid. Never making that mistake again. And you know, like, I know 100 subscribers is small, but it's still not easy. Like, you can't just put out whatever and then you'll get subs. Like, you got to put in work. It's not easy. It's not. So thank you all so much for the continuing support, watching the streams, hanging out with me, joining the Discord. If you haven't already, go join. Watching the videos, it means the world to me, because I can't believe I've had this much success on this channel. I never thought it would happen. I really thought my old channel was a fluke. So this means the world to me. And it doesn't help that I do content on YouTube in the most oversaturated niche in gaming. It makes it a million times harder than if I did, like, I don't know, makeup or fucking cars or model planes. I don't fucking know, some shit like that, you know? So I knew it was gonna be tough, and it is tough. It's not easy. You self-doubt a lot. There's lots of days where I question what I'm doing, but this is all I want to do. So this is all I'm gonna do. I do have a job that I fucking hate. I work at a gas station, and it's miserable. And I hope one day I can quit and I can do this full time, because this is my dream. This is all I want to do, is this. I just want to make content, have fun, play with friends. This is all I want to do. This is really all I want to do. I wanted to do this since 2015. And in fact, do I want to? Yeah, fuck it. Here's a little clip of my very first video back in 2015.
Welcome to my first ever video here on this channel, A Lazy Gamer. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. It means a lot that you took the time out of your day to click on the video. So I just want to go over this video on what I want to be uploading to this channel. Obviously, Lazy Gamer, so it's obviously going to be gaming content.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Jeez, I sound like such a dumbass. At least some shit hasn't changed, I guess. You know, I got into content because when I was like a freshman or a sophomore in high school, I was in a really shitty living situation that made me really depressed at a younger age. And what I found comfort in was I would go on my phone and watch like trolling videos. Like, this was like Black Ops 2 trolling, GTA 5 trolling, and then like for some reason I had a Minecraft phase, which thank fuck I'm over that. So I would watch them whenever I would be miserable, and it helped tremendously. Like, I looked forward to it all the time. I had an era of my life where I would leave school just so I could go home and watch the Rad Brads Let's Plays. I really did that. I was dumb as fuck for doing it, but that was my comfort. That is what made me happy. But yeah, so that made me make 4 different channels. They all flopped until I came up with A Lazy Gamer. And if you're wondering how I got that name, it's pretty dumb. My real name is Alex, like A-L-E-X, and then A Lazy Gamer, A-L. I was like, holy shit, the first 2 letters of that are the first 2 letters of my name. That's literally it. And I watched Typical Gamers. That's probably how I got Gamer, but not a great story, but that's literally how I got my name. Pretty stupid. Everyone's like, you must be a lazy gamer. Like, no, it's just the letters. That's all it is. And then fast forward a couple of years, I started doing the Lazy Gamer channel, and I did mostly Call of Duty. I did some other stuff, like I did Assassin's Creed, I did Red Dead 2, I did a video on FaZe Clan smoking weed for some reason. I don't know why, but it was mostly Call of Duty. That was the era I was in. It was Call of Duty and GTA 5. But all my content was from the Xbox One that I had, and I used the Upload Studio app. I don't know if any of you know what that is, to edit and upload it. It was the most scuff way to do it, but for some reason the Xbox One was just scuff when it came to recording. This channel's been my favorite because this channel, I've collabed with people, like more people than I ever did. I've met so many new and amazing people who I love to death. Like, I really love them. Like, I would take a bullet for them. Like, they are family to me. They are the people who I talk to every single day. Even if we're not recording, I talk to most of them every single day, and I love them all. So if you guys are watching this, you're amazing. And I love this. I'm stuttering. Holy shit. This makes me so happy. Like, this is all I want to do. I want to see all my friends be successful. I want to be successful. And I just want to continue doing this. Yeah, I don't really have much else to add. I just wanted to say thank you, get a little bit of lore behind my channel. Thank you all for watching, and this is just the beginning. Next stop, 420 subscribers. All right, guys. Have a great day. See you in the next one.